So from tomorrow, 18th September, Mahalaya Paksha starts. Mahalaya Paksha is the Shraddha Paksha, the rites for your ancestors. So who are your ancestors? Ancestors are your parents, grandparents and great-grandparents. Not only this life, many lives we have taken to arrive at this stage. Whoever you are, Rajesh, Saraswati, Lakshmi, whatever, whomever you are, before taking this life, you have been into several lives. In that life also, you had some ancestors, your parents, your grandparents. So when you say ancestors, it's not restricted to the present ancestors or present life. It refers to the whole lot of lineage. You had gone through the whole lot of lives. That lineage and this lineage, everything forms up to the ancestors. So in this 15 days of ancestral fortnight, what we say from now to the Mahalaya Amavasya, from this Purnima to coming Amavasya, this 14 days is very auspicious for doing ancestral rites. So actually what you will get out of it? The first thing is, if you are having stagnation, blockages in your business, in your projects or in your lifestyle, or everything you do, you maximum do but you never get the result. You have a tough time, suddenly you have some job issues, or you have some backbiting of some people, or you have losses in your business, or in your money is draining out like something, or you are facing some health issues, or your children are very cranky, they are not at all in the route what you want them to become. So all this and repeated health issues or some other issues coming one after the other. So it means there is some problem which you are not addressing properly. So such kind of problem if you are having, so definitely it can be your ancestral karmic problem hitting you. So it is called Pitrudosh. In some charts in astrology, we can identify they are having Pitrudosh also. If you are having such problem also, this Pitrupaksh can help you to overcome this Pitrudosh. So many people, some people they know the ancestral day when their ancestors, their grandparents, great-grandparents or your parents, if they have left this this earthly abode, you may be knowing the tithi when they have left, and you will be doing for them on that day. But sometimes it is as such we don't remember, or we don't know, or my parents knew but I never had the idea to keep it in mind, so I forgot, I don't know. So now I don't know anyone's date, so I don't do. This is the thing many people tell. And some people say that this is in our home, we don't have this practice of doing ancestral rites. So for all of you and those who can't do it in a traditional way, I am teaching you a very easy way, that is Pitru Gayatri Tarpan. So this Pitru Gayatri Tarpan will help you that you can sit in your home without spending a rupee. Every day you do it for 5 minutes and your ancestors get satisfied by it. You will get their blessings, and at the end of the month, that is end of this fortnight, you will feel that you have got the blessings. This can be done by male, female. If you are a woman, if you are a man, you can do. If you are a man, you can do it to a female ancestor as well, those who have deceased recently or several years ago, or your great-grandparents, for entire lineage. How you have to do, I will be teaching you in detail. So if you are interested, you want to get the maximum effort out of it, you want the blessings of your ancestors and get rid of all the Pitrudosh, this is a good opportunity.